Imagine a world where Earth is entirely covered in water. No land, just endless oceans stretching as far as the eye can see. How would life change in this aquatic world? Would humans adapt by building massive floating cities? Or would we develop advanced underwater colonies to survive beneath the waves? Picture the possibilities. Floating cities could be engineering marvels. Imagine skyscrapers made of transparent materials, allowing you to see schools of fish swim by as you work and live. Underwater colonies could bring a new way of life. Picture homes with windows looking out into the deep blue sea. Imagine watching marine life as part of your daily routine. Transportation would transform completely. Forget cars and roads. Picture sleek, fast submarines zipping through the water, taking you to your destination. Aquatic agriculture would become crucial. Imagine vast underwater farms growing seaweed, algae, and other marine plants to feed the population. Fishing would become even more essential. Imagine sustainable fish farms teeming with life, ensuring a constant food supply for everyone. Think about how we'd use ocean currents and waves for energy. Picture wind turbines and underwater generators providing power to our floating and underwater homes. Daily life would be a mix of adventure and adaptation. Imagine learning to swim before you can walk and using scuba gear as commonly as we use bikes today. New sports would emerge. Picture underwater soccer or deep-sea diving competitions. Recreation would take on a whole new meaning. Education would evolve too. Imagine schools with classrooms under the sea, where students learn about marine biology firsthand by observing ocean life around them. Communication technology would need to change. Imagine advanced underwater internet cables keeping everyone connected no matter how deep they live. Healthcare would adapt to new challenges. Picture doctors specializing in underwater medicine, treating conditions caused by long-term aquatic living. Fashion would change too. Imagine clothing designed for both dry and wet environments, making life easier as we transition between floating cities and underwater colonies. Think about the new social norms and cultures that would develop. Imagine communities celebrating unique oceanic festivals and traditions, bringing people together. Safety would be a priority. Picture advanced systems detecting and preventing threats like underwater earthquakes or dangerous marine creatures. Exploration would never end. Imagine constantly discovering new sea creatures and underwater landscapes, expanding our knowledge of the ocean world. Challenges would be many, but human ingenuity would thrive. Picture creative solutions making our oceanic existence not just possible, but amazing. Imagine a vibrant world beneath the waves. It's a future filled with endless blue horizons and incredible possibilities. How exciting would that be?